Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Alhamdulillah. Very good. So, welcome back, guys, for another drawing here today. Today we'll be drawing hand emoji, the one that's
Yes.
pointing up,
Yeah.
like a number
For
one.
Allah.
Yeah, Allah is up
Yep.
above the heavens,
Yes.
and
all of the heavens.
He is the one that created everything,
Yes.
right? And
Yeah.
He's only one
One and
only, and He's the one God that we pray to and that we believe in. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So let's start. We start. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
All right. So you guys can follow along. Let's see here. So we'll do.
We're gonna first do the finger.
Yeah, we're gonna do the
top
first
finger.
top finger.
So just a line.
We'll do the curve on the top.
Yes.
Like this. Like that. Like a C, upside down
Like
C. Yeah. Nice. Okay, perfect. So and then we're gonna go down on the left side, all the way down, straight line like this. When we finish, you guys, if you guys don't know what emoji we're talking about, you'll see at the end, inshallah, when we finish.
Should I make a little bit longer?
Oh, you went ahead there. Okay, okay. So, yeah, you go on the right side, you go down, you go a little bit more.
Oh, on the right one.
Yeah,
A little bit longer.
yeah. I made my mind a little bit too long. You can always adjust it a little bit. That's a little bit too long, maybe. But it's okay. We'll curve it around, okay?
Okay.
And then, now we're gonna do this side here. Okay, perfect. Okay, you ready? So let's see. So we're gonna go here like this, up and around like from here, and we're gonna do the thumb like this, like that.
We're gonna do like
Go. Maybe up a little bit from here, like here.
Mm.
It's okay. You could drop from here, drop from here,
here?
and then curve up, and go connect to this part, or you can connect it later, and then come across,
Okay.
and
or
then come
I have
across.
To make a loop.
Yeah. That's the top of the thumb here.
Good.
Alright, so because this part's a nail, like the thumbnail, just a little bit, we'll
You
make
have
it
to
a
make it sharp.
little sharp. Like this and around.
Like this.
A little point, yeah, and down, yeah. And across.
Down. Like that?
Yeah, that looks good. Alright, and then just a little line right here like this, just a little slant.
Sharp.
Yeah, perfect. Looks cool, very cool. Alright, and then now we're gonna do a big circle for the palm, this part of the palm right here.
A
A
humongous
big
circle.
one.
Where do
right?
you
All
start
the way
from
up.
here?
Okay, we're gonna start from here. Just wait until I finish. I'll go all the way up, and stop.
Okay.
Yeah, and then loop more, all the way up until you get to the tip here, right about here, and stop. Yes, looks very good. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna do another finger here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just do it up here. Just wait for me, okay? So we're gonna start, let's say, right here. I'm gonna wait for me. Like this. Like that. It's like a little hook to the middle of the thumb.
That?
Okay. That's fine. And we're gonna do a little bit shorter one. And we're gonna go up.
Like a round.
Around. Yeah, like this.
A finger round.
Like this, like, and then just stop there.
Oh, the same level.
A little bit smaller, a little bit, yeah, maybe it looks same. Yeah, and then come loop around, and then try end it right there. Okay, perfect. Okay, and then I'm gonna just do mine here like this. Just connect it right here like that. But it's okay. Yours already connected. It's okay. And then we're gonna now do the pinky.
Oh man.
It's okay. It's okay. It still looks good. Cause some people, as they do number one, maybe their hands are like this, you know. Maybe it's like this. So maybe yours is like this when doing number one, right?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So it's okay. And then we're gonna do the pinky. We're gonna just do a little pinky here, Go around like this. See, even I did it a little bit here, but it's okay. And then connect it. Try connect it here. Yeah, connect it. Yep, perfect. And then we're gonna loop it around and finish off that little pinky. We'll just go like this, and like that. See? And like this, up. So we're gonna loop it up, okay? And connect it, okay? So we're gonna just do a little loop like this, and then connect it up here. Yes, yes, yes. Perfect. So that is how many fingers. Let's make sure we have the right amount of fingers. Maybe we forgot a finger. Let's count it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we have all the fingers. Everything looks good.
Yes.
Yes, everything looks fine. And then we're going to now color. So we're gonna speed it up for you guys, and then we'll be back once we finish coloring it. Alright guys, so we just finished coloring it. And what color did you pick?
I picked
A nice brown
light
color.
Brown.
Cool. And I picked this bright yellow one.
Yes.
And then yours looks very good, right?
Mhm.
Doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be exact. As long as you tried your best,
Yep.
and you had fun and you keep practicing, you'll get better, inshallah. And what's our lesson for today? This one, what's it mean? It means there
Allah,
one God.
One God.
Yeah, we only believe in one God
Yes.
and nothing else. And that one God is Allah. Alhamdulillah, we're finished. We'll see you guys. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like this. Yeah. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, we post every Monday to Thursday. And we'll maybe have someone else drawing something in the next video.
Yes.
Okay? Assalamu alaikum. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
And also put your pictures up on
on Facebook.
our link in the description to add your pictures. It shows how you did. And we'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. Bye, 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 bye.